Hi there guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at selecting all the guides at once and also how to lock the guides. But before that, let's start with a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also we upload training videos daily. So you can just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here. Now, we've covered the basics of the guides before. So today we're going to be looking at how can you select all of them and also how to lock them. Obviously, to select a single one, make sure your selection tool selected, and then you can just click on that guide. Now we can move it around. But let's say we don't want these guides to be able to be moved. Then what we can also do is we go to our main menu on top, go to Arrange, you navigate till you find Guides, and then we say Lock Guides. Now I cannot select any of these guides, even if I try to. So once again, to disable that, same thing, go to your main menu, then we click on Arrange, we navigate to Guides, and then we say Lock Guides. Now if we want to select all our guides, the simple way to do this is we go to once again our main menu, go to Edit, and we navigate to Select, and then from the Select menu we want to go to Select by Attributes. Shortcut for that is D. When we click this, you'll see it brings up a little box with a few different options that we can select. So in our case, we'll go to the guideline, click on the little right mark in front of it, and then we click OK. Now as you can see, all of these guidelines are highlighted. So if I click and move it, you can see we're moving all of the guidelines now at once. Now keep in mind, if your attribute, should I rather say if your guides are locked, then obviously that will not work. So once again, if you go to select, go to select by attribute, you'll see we actually can't even see the guides here because they are locked. Otherwise, yeah, just remember, if you did work with lock guides and you cannot edit them, to unlock them. Otherwise you'll get quite confused, or you could. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, the VA is available here, and also, like I mentioned, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And if you don't find what you're looking for, you can also go here to the search engine, type in something, hit the little magnifying glass, and then it will bring up the results for that. But if you still run dry, then you can always go here to request a training video. Then yeah, we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.